Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this lecture we'll see how to connect to MySQL from Spark, how to read data from MySQL, and how to write data from MySQL. So prerequisite to connect any third-party database using Spark is we need to add corresponding dependencies. So this is a SBT project, so you need to add SBT dependencies. So in SBT file, to connect to MySQL, we need to add this connector MySQL underscore connector underscore Java. So then it will download all corresponding packages, libraries to connect to MySQL. So in this demo, we'll see how to write to MySQL. For this demo, I have created an object called MySQL write. So in that first step, I am creating Spark session like local only. I want to test in local only, so I given local. So using properties class, I am taking I am passing username and password, because this is a for testing purpose only. So we are hard coding username and password, but in the real time we will pass usernames and password will be in a configuration file. Currently for this is demo purpose, as it is I am hard coding the username and passwords. Okay, this is a custom schema. This already I have explained in my previous videos, how to provide headers to a file. Okay, using how to provide custom schema to a file. So my file don't have headers, employee10.txt. For that I am giving these header names using custom schema. Okay, how to give and how to apply that headers to text file, CSV file is spark.read.format CSV schema. Instead of schema, we have to give that schema name. Okay, then path of that file, then data frame will be created. This data frame I want to write to MySQL. Okay, by giving name is employee2. So how to write data data frame to target is using the write option. Data frame dot write mode will be I have given overwrite. Here 2 will be there, append and overwrite. I have given overwrite, and destination is a database, right, MySQL. So I have given JDBC. Usually JDBC will accept 3 parameters. One is URL, one is table, and other connection properties. So URL means here JDBC colon, this is default. Okay, syntax, this is JDBC colon. Okay, MySQL localhost. I have installed MySQL in my Unix box, right, in this same system. That's why I have used localhost, and port number 3306. MySQL by default will be installed in port number 3306, and database name, my database name is big data, table name is employee2, and third parameter is a properties. Okay, currently in URL I have hard coded, and we can create this URL with one variable, and I can use variable name also here. Okay, now I will try to execute this one. Yes, table has been created. We'll see show tables. So employee2 has been created. Now we'll check select star from emp2. Okay, data has been table has been created. This is output of this table. Okay, in the same way, how to read MySQL data, this also we'll see in the same example. So here one variable I'm creating using map. Map, you know, right? Map will store the values in the form of key value. What is key, what is value? So URL is a key. What is value? The same JDBC, this is a value. Database table, the what is a key, what is value. Okay, so I'm giving employee to same table will read. Username, password, this will accept four values. Okay, it is expecting four values. I'm passing these four values. URL we need, which table we need, username, password, these four we need to know to read the data from the MySQL. So reading is, what is the command to read data? Spark.read.formatter. If it is a CSV file, you will pass CSV, right? If it is a Parquet, you will pass Parquet. If it is Avro, you will give Avro. Same way, if it is a JDBC, just you have to give arg.sql.jdbc. Okay, options, here we will pass that MySQL option and load. So it will go and fetch the data from the MySQL. We'll execute and we'll see. I have executed this program. So I have made video on how to connect to Oracle and how to connect to Hive, and this is a third video, similar video, how to connect to MySQL. So schema it is printing, so data also it is printing. Okay, in this way we can read data from so usually in the Hadoop project, this is that's what we will do in the real time also. So for Hadoop, source will be, for most of the projects, source will be RDBMS only. We'll read the data using JDBC, and process using Spark, and destination will create files or reports. Okay, target will be Hive or any other storage. Okay, thanks for watching.